Justin and I are pretty excited this weekend because we are going to start the plans for our vegetable garden. The vegetable garden is going to be tacked on to the end of the greenhouse. We were originally planning on finishing the house renovation before we started the vegetable garden, but COVID-19 has put an interesting spin on our lives and perhaps a good one.
Investigate this rock.
Okay, that's a big rock. This is a really good start to our vegetable garden.
Big rock.
And this is where our rocks went. It is a incredibly beautiful morning today. We are super excited because our neighbor's about to come over and he's going to till our vegetable garden. All done, beautifully tilled patch of soil. I am super excited to get the plants in the garden.